Hey everybody, Rorree here. Welcome to my channel. All right, first, I got to invite y'all over to Roses, Lavender, and Sage. We have a community over there for women, empowering women, doing wonderful things, healing, doing intuitive work, and just supporting and uplifting women on our journeys, helping women to find their purpose, staying on track with their purpose, and helping women to manifest whatever it is that they desire to manifest in this lifetime. But it is a very positive community. Come join us over there, roseslavenderansage.com. So anyway, I pulled a rune card for you guys today, and I just wanted to share what it is about. All right, so this rune card is pronounced, the rune is up in the corner, and Ingwaz. I feel like I pulled this one once before, but this is the energy for the collective today. Ingwaz, okay? And this looks like a nice couple that's looking nice and like they're enjoying each other. Okay, so Ingwaz. Ingwaz is, okay, so the meaning is earth and sacred. Those are the two meanings for Ingwaz. Ingwaz is linked to sexuality and fertility and is a sign of passion in a relationship or tremendous creativity in work or business. There is strong energy driving you forward, and if this exciting and positive momentum continues, success is likely. This rune card is also a symbol of green shoots and being free to move forward in a new way. The old is left behind, challenges are resolved, and a new dawn breaks. You are breaking through to a new way of thinking and living, and there is no looking back. Now is a time for glorious new beginnings, and you are encouraged to seize the moment. Ingwaz truly carries with it a sense of magical possibilities and the promise of peace, relief, happiness, and inner growth, as long as you don't allow fear to hold you back. Sometimes it is not our limitations, but our ability to shine that we fear. This card is encouraging you to step forward and shine brightly. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. All right, y'all. So let's shine bright like a diamond. It's your time. It's your turn. All right. It's your time. It's your turn to shine. I remember Mandela's speech, and I definitely don't know it by heart, but I remember that speech where he talked about not shrinking back, but standing up and shining bright like a diamond. Shining bright, standing up and being your true, authentic self. Saying hello, unapologetically being who you are. Like, I am totally Rorree. I'm going to be totally Rorree. I'm not going to be totally somebody else. I'm totally Rorree. All it is. You know what I'm saying? You can like me or you can leave me, but I'm going to love me, okay? Because I'm going to be all totally Rorree. Okie dokie. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the message this morning. Call Ingwaz. Don't forget to join us over there, ladies, in Roses, Lavender, and Sage, and come have some fun with us. Okay? Ashe, ashe, ashe.